I really, really, really hate this next video. But you know me. I have to do this. And because I have to do it, doesn't mean I don't want to. Why is this hat on me anyway? Fuck it. Fuck it. I'm gonna take off the hat anyways. So, ever hear of this guy called Aknotholeresidient? Huh? Huh? He talks to his plushies! That's great! No, it is not! I stopped talking to my plushies back then. And let's just watch this video. I don't even care anymore if I'm not ready to watch it. I don't even care anymore if my hair's in the way. Ah!
Hey everybody, this is Aknotholeresidient. As you can see here, I am very pumped up about Sonic the Hedgehog 4. I've been getting tons of comments about it. The trailer was just released, and I'm going to go ahead and watch it live here on YouTube. So
Yes, because YouTube is meant for watching things live.
here we go, everybody. This is the Sonic 4 trailer and my initial reaction live, caught on video. So here we go. Ready for this, buddy? We waited over, what, 16, 17 years for this? It's your long-awaited comeback, yay! Here we go!
I don't recommend that. I don't recommend anyone talking for their plushies.
Sonic the Hedgehog 4! Oh, classic! Yeah, Sonic 3, yeah! Hey, there's a mother bug!
Childhood ruined. There we go. Childhood is ruined. Huh?
Okay. Mixed reactions here. Sorry, buddy. This is not exactly what I anticipated. Here, why don't you sit over here? Let the adults speak.
Let the adults speak. When obviously you're not gonna act like an adult in the video anyway. So what's the point?
You've been under a lot of stress lately, especially for the past 5 months. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Where to begin? Where to begin? Sega. Let's talk for a second. What part of retro don't you understand?
A lot.
From the amount of concept art and the black-eyed Sonic you used in the Hedgehog Day banner, that immediately gives us old-school fans the impression that Sonic 4 would reflect the classic Genesis games, and I'm just not seeing it here. I mean, I'm not sure if you caved in to the little kiddies again,
Which they didn't.
because all I'm seeing here is a rehashed Sonic Rush game ported to the consoles.
Correction. It's Sonic 1 now. I don't hear any boos coming on, so I must be doing something right.
The same ugly, stretched-out, green-eyed Sonic fighting the modern-style Eggman. Is that what he's going to be called too? Dr. Eggman?
I'm angry! Because they changed the villain's name!
Ugh! I'm so infuriated right now. This is a complete turn-off. It's
For me!
incredibly misleading.
For me!
I mean, Sega, you have a lot of nerve. No, you have a lot of balls.
Since when does a company have balls? Please tell us. Oh, so wise. Oh, so wise, Aknotholeresidient.
To even place this as a long-awaited 4th installment, because it just conjures up the same shitty garbage from the 3D games. I mean, I'm looking at this right now in disgust. I mean, this is appalling. This is abysmal.
This is the worst day ever! Sorry. I just had to do that.
I mean, I, along with most people in their late 20s, was expecting the class...
Wait. You're in your late 20s and you're complaining about Sonic. You are in your late 20s and you're complaining about Sonic, a blue hedgehog who runs at speeds over what, like, over 100 miles per hour. Yeah, that makes total sense. Okay. I give up. I give up on this video now. Not because I don't want to do it anymore. Aknotholeresidient broke me. You just broke me. Okay, fine, I'm kidding around. I'll do it again.
Classic style, black-eyed Sonic.
This is about eyes? You're complaining about eyes! You know what? I give up. I give up. Everyone has done a video on this guy. Everyone. I'm not doing one on him. I'm just gonna stop right there. I'm not doing one on him. For complete reasons. He's complaining about eyes. Eyes. No eye color, but still eyes. I don't complain about characters' eyes that often. Especially gameplay. Especially gameplay-wise and everything else-wise. I don't do that. Nobody does that. You know what? This has been KTS the Gamma. I'm not even going to do out anymore because this video doesn't deserve it.